school organized the International Day of Yoga on the 21st of June 2024, which is celebrated all over the world. Yoga is an invaluable gift of India's ancient tradition. It embodies unity of mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, harmony between man and nature, and a holistic approach to health and well-being. It is not about exercise, but to discover a sense of oneness with yourself, the world, and nature. International Yoga Day was celebrated by the students and teachers at S.S.Citizen School with great enthusiasm. Students of grades 1st and 10th demonstrated various yoga asanas. Warm-up exercises were taken and all the students performed sitting and standing asanas. The importance of these were explained simultaneously. The celebration concluded with a synchronized recitation of slogans and a speech by our correspondent. He encouraged students to practice regular yoga to remain fit and improve concentration.